So this is going to be a quick video on double prime. So double prime is when there are two primes directly attached to any color or phrase of colors, which I'm going to refer to as A. So when we talk about single prime of A, that is just any cards without A, the number of cards without A. A double prime of A is any cards without the cards without A. So there's double negative there, and that makes it positive. So the double prime of A, which is referring to any color or any phrase of colors, anything, any solution, is just A. So the double prime keeps A exactly the same. So let's start off with an example of single prime here. So red prime. So red prime is any cards without red. And we're going to cross off the red ones. And there are two cards without red. So the answer here is 2. Now let's look at a double prime example, red prime prime. So we originally had those two cards that didn't have red from the first red prime. So we're going to look at the first prime here. So we have two cards from the first prime. Okay, the second prime is saying, okay, we're going to get rid of those cards now, and we're going to look at all the cards without these cards. So the second prime invalidates those cards, and now we're left with the original 4 red cards that we had. So red prime prime is just the number of red cards, and that is 4. So let's look at another prime prime example, blue or green prime prime. So we know that 2 primes keeps the phrase exactly the same. So this is going to be blue or green. And we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards either have blue, green, or both. So the answer to this one would be 5. So double prime can be a good strategy to use. If somebody puts a prime in a required and there's another one in the resources or somewhere else on the mat, you can just put the 2 primes together and that would keep your phrase exactly the same.